welcome back to Tom's Tips. This is a self-cutting washing machine tap. So what you do with these is you put them over your cold tap, your cold pipe that you want to break into, like that. Tighten that up. I'll just show you how this works. It's like a saddle thing, and it's got a rubber in the saddle, so that when this end cuts into the pipe, that actually cuts the pipe, and the rubber, it goes through the rubber seals it, and you've got a washing machine just plumbed in. Anybody can use them. Quite simple to use. You just put the saddle over there, it just comes with a screw, you screw that up. Sometimes they're a screwdriver slot, which is a lot easier to use. This one's got a nut, so you'll need an appropriate size spanner to tighten that up. But that doesn't actually do anything. It just puts the saddle on. That we're not cutting into the pipe at all now. We're just fixing the saddle to the pipe. It's this bit that cuts in. Right, you just tighten that up on there, and that way you'll feel the resistance. And now it's cutting into the pipe. So if this was full of water, it wouldn't come out, because it also has a valve there that shuts it down. And it cuts into the pipe now. And that's cut into the pipe. So what this is handy for as well as putting washing machines in, or a dishwasher, supposing you wanted to take a radiator off and there was no drain point on the radiator, you could use that to go into the radiator leg, and then once you've cut into the radiator leg, you can attach the hose to it by that way. Take the hose outside, open the valve, and now you're draining down the system. I think I've done that tip once before, but it's got lost, as many have. So right, I'll just take this off now and show you that the hole it cuts into. Now it's okay for washing machines like this, because it gets enough water anyway, and dishwashers. It'll get enough water through that little hole. The problem is if you use it for an outside tap, which is another use, you've only got a slight little hole coming out here, and it might not be enough for the tap to work properly. I'll just show you what sort of hole it's made, so I can get this off. So if you do buy one of these, get one with a screwdriver rather than messing about with a spanner, because you can't really get a spanner on it properly because of all the, probably a socket would be better. But so you see what's happened there. You've only got that much of water coming through, so for an outside tap, if you wanted an outside tap to wash your car, you're not going to get enough pressure there. So if you're doing an outside tap, you're better off putting a proper tee and doing it proper, because that doesn't break off. Otherwise, if it did break off, it would go in the pipe and lodge itself somewhere along the pipe that you don't want it to. So it's not designed to break that off, and because of that, you get a very poor water supply through it. Right, so just thought I'll let you have a look at that. And I'm coming across some of my old tips as I'm going through my computer, and I'll put them on when I find them. Well, the good ones anyway. I'll not bother with the shite ones. Right, see you all.